Okay, next award. It's the TCT Post-Processing Award 2024. If 3D printing is the star, post-processing is the backstage hero that ensures every part looks and performs at its best. Tonight we shine the spotlight on those who perfect the art of finishing. Before we announce the winner, the highly commended project in this category is Drylight Hybrid Finish by Steros GPA Innova in partnership with CETIM. Congratulations to them. And now, to help me present this award, please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of our sponsor, TCT Japan, Daniel O'Connor. Right, the winner of the TCT Post-Processing Award 2024 is PostPro SFX Desktop Vapor Smoothing by Additive Manufacturing Technologies.
On behalf of MT, I would like to thank TCT for this award and also for recognizing the need for such technology in the industry. SFX is a benchtop machine. It is suitable for office environments while is capable of processing engineering-grade plastics. That brings professional levels to moving to smaller 3D printing setups. We hope that opens new applications and new opportunities for the entire industry. I would also like to thank our hardworking team, our partners, investors, and customers. Thank you very much.